danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
Artificial intelligence is going to be extremely helpful, and the risk that it gets super smart, that's way out in the future.
What worries me most about the development of AI at this point is that we seem unable to marshal an appropriate emotional response.
I try to convince people to slow down AI.
As technology advances rapidly, the question whether or not artificial intelligence can match the power of the human mind has become a topic of much debate. In this video, we will briefly understand artificial and human intelligence, the fundamental difference between the capabilities of artificial and human intelligence, and will finally try to answer the most asked question on the planet right now. Can AI match the power of the human mind, and can it potentially replace it? Let's first briefly understand what AI is and what it is capable of. Artificial intelligence basically focuses on building intelligent machines capable of performing a wide range of tasks that usually requires human intelligence. In simple words, it's when computers or devices can do tasks that would typically need human intelligence to get done. For example, imagine you have a computer program to play chess with you. The computer can think about all the possible moves and pick the best one, just like a human player. That's simply using AI to play chess. These intelligent machines are trained by showing them many examples and then adjusting their work based on that input. Think of it like this. Imagine you were trying to teach a kid for the first time how to recognize dogs. You would show them many pictures of dogs and explain what makes a picture of a dog. Then, the next time you show them a picture, they will use what they learned from those previous examples to decide if the new picture is of a dog. AIs are trained similarly. For example, a virtual assistant built on AI technology like Siri or Alexa can answer questions and perform tasks based on tons of data being fed to them daily for them to learn. Well, that's what AI in simple terms is. Now, let's briefly understand what human intelligence is and what it is capable of. Human intelligence refers to intellectual capability of humans that allows us to think, understand complex concepts, learn from different experiences, apply logic and reason, recognize patterns, make inferences and decisions based on reasoning, and think creatively. For example, if a student has to figure out a math problem, they use their intelligence to understand the problem, come up with a strategy to solve it, and then use logic and reasoning to find the answer. That is how humans would generally work. Now that we understand what AI and human intelligence are, let's talk about the vital differences between AI and human intelligence. First and foremost, human beings use their brain's computational capacity, memory, and the ability to reason. But AI-powered devices rely on data and particular instructions provided in the system. Human intelligence aims to adapt to the new environment by combining various cognitive processes. As we all know, humans learn from past mistakes and experiences. Basically, it's all about learning from the blunders that you make through trial and error throughout your life. Artificial intelligence, on the contrary, falls short in this regard because machines cannot think and learn from the past. That is because the AI cannot think independently to make rational and fair decisions, but can merely act on the data, unlike humans. Let's take an example of simple hiring process. If the data set used to train the AI model is based on the data where hiring decisions were influenced by unconscious bias, the model may perpetuate those biases and make similar decisions in the future. This can lead to discrimination against certain groups of people in the hiring process. Moving on, artificial intelligence takes much more time to adjust to new changes. In contrast, humans can adapt to changes quickly, enabling people to learn and ace several abilities. However, one place where AI aces are with speed. That's because artificial intelligence can solve any sort of problem in the blink of an eye. In contrast, human intelligence takes a lot of time to get used to mechanisms with a considerable amount of time. As of now, humans cannot beat the speed of computers. For example, when it comes to speed and efficiency, ChatGPT is in a league of its own. It can process and generate text at a high speed rate and with high degree of accuracy. However, it cannot still truly understand and interpret the meaning behind the words in the same way as the human brain. It is also worth mentioning that one place where artificial intelligence has not yet aced is the ability to interact socially. Humans are better at social interactions since they are self-aware and elegant to others' emotions. Now, here is the moment of truth. Can AI match the power of the human mind and or potentially replace it? You see, AI is only as good as what we humans feed to the machine. Hence, AI's problem-solving skill is only as good as we humans want them to be. The decision-making capability of AI system is primarily based on the data they are trained on, the events and how they are related to these events. AI devices are not capable of understanding the concepts of cause and effect, and that is because they lack the sense of common sense. At the same time, humans possess the unique ability to learn and apply our acquired knowledge in combination with logic, reasoning, and understanding. See, the real-world scenarios require a holistic, logical, rational, and emotional approach specific to humans. AI can learn from the information and through regular training, but it can never attain the thinking procedure unique to humans. So, can AI match the power of human mind? The answer is no. And that is because scientists and researchers are still working on the mystery behind the human thought process, and I believe that without completely understanding all the ins and outs of the human brain processing, it is implausible that we'll create machines that can think like humans anytime soon. The future of AI will be governed mainly by human abilities and complemented by human intelligence and cognizance. Having said that, it doesn't mean that AI is not a valuable tool. It can assist humans in language translation, customer service, etc. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced models in the future. Well, I hope you like this video, and if you do, you do not need an AI to tell you what is to be done next. Subscribe. Anyways, see you again in the following video. Until then, adios.